If you're using USI color-coded film, simply match the red core of the film to the red on the mandrel to the red on the machine for your top roll of film. For your bottom roll of film, simply match the blue core to the blue on the mandrel to the blue on the side of your USI roll laminator. For those of you not using USI color-coded film, you'll notice your film has two sides. A grainy side, which is the heat-activated adhesive, and a smooth glossy side. You want to make sure that the smooth glossy side is the side that makes contact with your heat source. Now that your film is loaded, it's time to thread it through your roll laminator. You will notice a top idler bar and a bottom idler bar. You want to be sure to thread your film under these bars to ensure your film has maximum exposure to your heat source. Once your film is threaded under your idler bars, pull the film down so that it overlaps your heat source. Once the film is overlapped, put your machine into forward. Then take a threading board and push it through until it catches the first two sets of rollers. Once your threading board has caught the first set of rollers, go to the back of the machine and make sure that your film catches the back set of rollers to prevent any potential wrap-ups. This is how the film should look on your machine when threaded properly. The last step is to put your feed tray back on your laminator. Now you are ready to turn on the heat and begin laminating.